All right, today we're going to be looking at how do you edit text inside of your website in Duda. If you go to duda.co, we're going to navigate to that site. You'll land on their welcome page and you'll just have to click on My Dashboard, which will take you to the site dashboard which shows all of the different sites that might be loaded onto your dashboard. If I want to edit a specific site, I'm just going to click Edit once I find the site on the list within the dashboard. And clicking Edit will take me to the editor, which is Duda's proprietary editing software. And it's really quite simple and intuitive if you really take a minute and just explore some of the visual indicators that Duda provides. First of all, the header of the site has specific information such as a welcome banner, maybe a subtitle, and then a button. And I can change each of these texts to whatever I really want by just clicking within it. And you can see my cursor gets highlighted, and I can just highlight what's in there, and I can retype something else. Church website 1, and hit the confirm button whenever you're done. Next, I'll click inside of this other text function, and there's a lot of different things you can do to this text. I can change the font, I can change the size, we can make it less bold, underlined, italicized. For the most part, the design is going to be pretty much in place, but if we want to tweak that design, what we can do is add a couple of specific words. If I want, instead of build a modern, professional, compelling website for your church, might say build a super modern, professional website for your church. And you can see how simple it is to customize. And I can just hit the close button when I'm done. And that's it. For the button, if I want to change what the button says, I just click on the button. And right at the top, it says text on button. We can customize it here. Build your awesome church website. And when I'm done, I just close out of it. And there you have it. Simple as that. One thing to be careful of is if you make something too long, just make sure that on the mobile site, you're happy with how it looks. And if you want to change the size on the mobile, you can go ahead and customize the font size to, instead of 22 pixels, go down to 20. Maybe and maybe that'll fit a little bit better. Hit close and you're done. And then you can check and make sure it hasn't changed on your main site, which it shouldn't. Typically they're independent of each other. If I scroll on down, I can do that again. Just click inside the header. Why choose this website? Question mark. And just, again, hitting that check mark when you're done. If I want to customize the paragraph, I can delete sections. I can add them back in. We can customize. Hello, this is pretty cool. Simple as that. We're going to keep on going through here. Same thing with the button. You can customize the button here. Customize text here. So everything that highlights on this website can be customized and changed. And really, that's all there is to it. You don't have to worry too much about the tablet view because everything on your desktop should pretty well match what's on the tablet view. And once you're done making all your changes, all you have to do is come back up here and hit publish, and your site will be published. Right now there's a default domain for this example site, but yours will likely have a URL and a domain assigned to it. Next video, we're going to be looking at how to customize images, but the text customization is fairly straightforward. Now, I do want to show you guys a couple of other things you can do. Let's go ahead and explore just the alignment function. If I want to have this changed in alignment, it's much like a Word document or another text editor. You can go and center it. We can right justify it. We can go ahead and do the that type of alignment, like a magazine. Go back to the left. We can add bullets. So if I want to add a couple of bullet points, there's a bulleted list. And this is, all of these have those prompts on them. So it takes a lot of the guesswork out of what you're actually customizing. And it's pretty intuitive. Once you're done, again, confirm, publish. And if you want to roll back and you don't like the changes that you made, then there's actually a simple way to restore your previous site. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that really quick here. If I click on settings on the left panel, I can go to backup site and I can restore the previous version, which was saved not too long ago, maybe a minute or two ago. Every time that your site is published, you're saving a version of it that you can roll back to. So don't get too concerned with possibly breaking the site. Very rarely that's going to happen, but just make sure that you've published it or that you have a version that's available to roll back to. More than likely you'll have one available, and it's fairly simple to restore. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, just send us a message and we'll help you along the way. Thanks.